Welcome, I'm Nicholas Kramer, Fitness Coordinator at the Terraces at San Joaquin Gardens. Within this video, I will be demonstrating how to perform and measure the back stretch or scratch test. Within this test, we are measuring shoulder flexibility and upper body mobility that is essential for reaching overhead, getting dressed, and really everyday self-care. So within this test, we will need a couple pieces of equipment. One, I do recommend always having a chair whenever you're doing a test, just for support and balance reasons, just in case if they ever need to grab onto something. And number two is a measuring tape, or again, you can use an 18-inch ruler, but I prefer the measuring tape for better results and accuracy. So within this test, I will have the participants first stand up with an upright posture, chest is high. Again, we're not slouching, keeping that good posture. I will show what it looks like from behind, so if you can just turn around for me. I always like to start on the dominant side, which she is a righty, and then I will move to the left. So if she is a righty, I will first demonstrate to have her bring her right hand over her right shoulder. That hand should go pretty much going along the spine. Once she feels comfortable there, her left hand would go behind the back, trying to touch middle finger or as close as she can get. Whatever arm is over the top, so if right arm's over the shoulder, we're measuring the right shoulder, left arm over, we're measuring the left side. So once she's in this position, and she practices a couple repetitions on the right, do a couple practice repetitions with the left, just to get comfortable with the movement, comfortable with the instructions. Once she feels comfortable there, then we will perform 2 test trials, recording the best and highest score. So now, since we're starting the test, I'm gonna go back to the right side, right arm over the shoulder, left arm goes behind, trying to see how close you can get middle finger to middle finger. So when it comes to measuring, as you can see, her middle finger is exactly touching her middle finger. That score will be a 0. If the hands go past each other, like such, we are just measuring the distance between the middle finger overlapping the other hand, and that will be a positive value. If the hands don't touch and we have a gap, you will measure the distance between both middle fingers, and that will be a score of a negative. And again, we are measuring to the nearest ½ inch, just to get proper results and more reliable there. So if she does have a gap, again, I will measure in inches, middle finger to middle finger, which is about 2½ inches. And again, that will be a negative. If the fingers are going past each other, I will measure from the middle finger to the other middle finger. And that is about 2 inches. So that will be +2. And if middle finger is exactly touching the other middle finger, that is just a score of 0. So again, they would do 2 test trials on one side, 2 test trials on the other side, and then you would score the best and highest value. Again, that is how we perform and measure the back stretch or scratch test. Thank you, and have a great day.